Yes, Abigail and Jess, I just spoke with that pastor. He said he was watching this chase on TV. When he left to go to lunch, he saw that suspect and decided to go after him. Now, this is video from earlier of him firing the shots at the suspect. He parked his car behind the suspect to block him. He said when he approached the suspect, he asked him if he needed any help, but the suspect drove off. That's when the pastor grabbed his gun.
Thought, well, let's see if we can shoot out that left rear tire, and maybe that would, slow him down. I was just afraid that if he got back out on the highway, he'd probably, he may kill somebody. So at any rate, it wasn't a big deal. It was just a matter of just trying to, one, not wanting him to get hurt, and nor wanting anybody else to be hurt as well. So.
And just to be clear, that pastor was never arrested. Police just had questions. Reporting live and more, Crystal Price, KOCO 5 News. Abigail, Jess, back to you.